Hey everybody, this is video doing a favor for a fellow Redditor. He has this old American lock, and it's a US one. It's got a blind code on it. He's got no key, and he was not able to pick it so far. So I'm going to run that code, get the bidding, and we're going to cut a key for it. So let me go out to the truck here where the Blitz machine is, and see if we can make a key for it, see if we can get it open. Alright, so we got the Blitz machine here. We got the American small pin card, and I ran the code on the bottom of the lock. And the bidding comes up as 52685, so we're going to cut a key to that. So we'll stick our key blank in. Alright, that's what our key looks like here. Let me clean it up a little bit. And see if it works here. Here we go. So we got a key for it, and the lock does work, and this is not guttable. Also, it looks like it's key retaining. But it's cool, so run the code, and we know the lock works, so if the key opens it, it should be able to be picked. So I'm going to send it back to him, and hopefully he's got some success with it when he gets it back. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll talk to everybody later.